Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Husty Talks. In this video, I give the introduction of Truss. Next video, I explain how to create the Truss in staad-pro software. Truss, okay. Truss is a structural unit made from straight bars that from triangles or other stable rigid shapes. The simplest form of truss is a one triangle. This simplest form triangle is a truss. A truss is a series of straight bars form triangles or other stable rigid shapes. Triangles and other shape rigid. A truss is composed of structural members, joints or nodes, angles, polygons. Due to their geometry and rigidity, trusses can distribute a single point of weight over a wider area. Trusses in compression and tension. This is the horizontal member. This is the vertical member. This image shown as a Pratt truss. Truss having many types. Uses vertical members in compression and horizontal members in tension. Most efficient under vertical loading, compression. This is the vertical members. This nature is compression. Horizontal member nature is tension. Trusses have two types, planar or simple truss, space truss. The planar truss explanation is members and nodes in 2D plane. These examples are bicycle frame, roofing, rafters. Space truss explanation are members and nodes in 3D plane. Examples, bridges, transmission towers. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe this video.